Want spotless rooms, lightning-fast service, and glowing guest reviews? The secret might just be your utility cart. Utility carts are the unsung heroes of hotel operations. Whether it's housekeeping or room service, the right cart turns chaos into control. They carry your essentials, slash room turnaround time, ease staff workload, and help meet soaring guest expectations for cleanliness and speed. From 3-tier rolling carts for max storage to foldables for tight spaces, each car has a role. Metal for durability, plastic for light-duty efficiency. Keep carts guest-ready. Wipe them down after every shift. Inspect wheels monthly. Sanitize handles every single day. Don't let inefficiency roll through your halls. Upgrade to utility carts built for excellence.
Like this video? Tap like, hit subscribe, and dive into more hotel management tips right below.